Heidi ho there, friends. Bobby here today along with my son.
Nathaniel.
That's right, guys. Hey, guys, today we're getting everything loaded up to go to make a trip to the machine shop. Bring the camera over here. We'll show you what we got. We got the little 2.5 liter engine here of Nathaniel's, and we're going to take it to the machine shop. We're going to have it cleaned, magnafluxed. The guy down there thinks he can fix my cylinder head. I told him it had a crack in it. He says he's got a way of fixing that, doing cold welding and pinning. So we're going to let him give it a try. So we have our block here disassembled, freeze plugs removed, have our cylinder head here. We're just going to leave it complete. Right over here, guys, we have our crankshaft in a box here. We got some extra cardboard around it so it can't bang around, and we have all 4 of our pistons and rods. And guys, what we're going to do is if the block is good, we're going to go ahead and have him clean it, bore it. We're going to get a parts kit from this guy. So we'll have our pistons. He can go ahead and press them on our rods and everything. And we'll have all our gaskets and bearings and everything that we need. He'll check the crank, see if it needs to be turned. He'll turn it and order the thicker bearings if we need them. But he may just polish it, okay? So we're going to take this down there, probably be a week or so before we get it back. And we'll start getting Nathaniel's engine put back together, and we'll definitely be making videos about that, and Nathaniel will be excited to see. He's got a smile on his face right now. He's excited. Anyway, guys, just wanted to tell you that if you're ever building an engine, those are the primary things you need to take to the machine shop. Your machinist is going to want the block. He's going to want your head or heads if you're doing a V motor. You're going to take your pistons and rods so he can press your new pistons on, and of course you're going to take your crankshaft as well. A lot of times if you want to take a machine shop, your oil pan and your valve covers and stuff like that, a lot of times they'll dip that stuff in their cleaning solvent and clean all that stuff up for you for a very little charge. A lot easier than you can probably do it yourself. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.